When a child looks angry, pause and ask what hurt them instead of reacting to the anger first. When a child looks angry, pause and ask what hurt them instead of reacting to the anger first. Look beyond the outburst and help the child name the real feeling underneath. Teach simple feeling words so children can express emotions before they explode. Listen calmly and make the child feel understood before trying to correct behaviour. Offer small choices during the day so children feel some control in their world. Remind children that sadness is safe to express and does not need to hide behind anger.
If you enjoyed this video and want to watch more helpful content like this, please subscribe to my channel and join me for more videos.